Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have s divided by s. So we have number 1. So we have y over s. That is the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of v, we have dv over ds multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, we have number 1. So we have v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one gone here. Y we change by vs. So s divided by s, we have number 1. So we have v. So v and v we cancel for the both sides. Next, I will put the s and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have v. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now I will put this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.